In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo a bank reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a business owner or an accountant, understanding how to reverse a bank reconciliation can be a vital tool in maintaining the accuracy of your financial records. So, let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand panel and locate the section that says Weekend Transactions. Clicking on this will lead you to a variety of options related to your banking and transactions. Now, direct your attention to the Reconcile tab. This tab is essential for both performing reconciliations and, in our case, undoing them. Go ahead and click on it to access its features. Once inside the Reconcile tab, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled History by Account. This is your gateway to seeing all past reconciliations you've completed. Click on this option to view a comprehensive list of all your reconciliations. Now, you should see a list that details each reconciliation by account, including the date and ending balance. This overview is crucial as it allows you to verify which specific reconciliation needs to be undone. Next, identify the reconciliation you wish to reverse and focus on the caret icon associated with it. This icon is your ticket to additional options. Click on the caret icon and you'll see the magical option to undo. Undo. With a simple click on Undo, QuickBooks will process your request, effectively reversing the reconciliation you selected. And there you go. It's that simple. Just like that, you've successfully undone a reconciliation, paving the way for corrections or adjustments as needed. However, if you don't see the option to undo when you click on the caret icon, don't worry. This typically means that you need access to an accountant account, which has the necessary permissions to perform this action. If you're the account owner, you can switch to or create an accountant account. This usually involves inviting yourself or another CPA to be the accountant on record for the account, thus granting the necessary permissions to make these changes. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can maintain precise control over your financial records, ensuring everything is as accurate as possible. Regularly managing your reconciliations can help mitigate errors and provide you with a clearer picture of your business's financial health. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any more questions. Have a great day.